Is LGSF construction costly?
If we compare it with civil construction, we need around 18 to 24 months to complete a building of size, say 50 crores. But in LGSF, we can complete it in 6 to 9 months, which means saving of time, and saving of time is saving of money. This is almost 10 to 15% costlier than the conventional civil one. But if you compare it with time, then the cost is at par.
How LGSF is more convenient for rooftop construction?
For rooftop constructions, if we go conventional one, we need large stockyards, and our neighbors might complain to us that the building material is lying over there, here and there. In LGSF, we need very small space, and that too we can adjust it on the same floor and shift the material immediately to the same floor and start the construction. So the hassle-free construction takes place, and there is no burden of complaints from the neighbors.